ॐ अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तम् उपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। नारायण 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 1 minute.
Namaste. She's come.
Yeah. Just a moment.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't notice. Okay.
Just a moment. Sorry.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. Sorry. Okay. Right. Everybody. Narayana, 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 Narayana. गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। ॐ श्री हयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमा कोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு அரோகரா. கோமளம் பூஜையன் வேணும் ஷியாமளோயம் குமாரகः வேதவேத்யம் பரபிரம்மம் வாசதாம் புரதோ மம. सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरकणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिं सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसपरिदैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेळीरदम् अधिशुभगं वस्य गोपालकृष्णम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। मोक्षादिसारम्य भागवताख्यदद्नोः नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गुहित्वा मायामयौखपरिदप्तचना यद्योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। न भोग्यवस्तूनि नाकपृष्टं न सिद्धिलाभं परमेशकाङ्क्षे प्रसन्नमन्दस्मितसुन्दरं ते मुखाम्बुलं दर्शय सन्ततं मे। सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकम् अनुपमिदं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानाम्। श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीहरे नमः। Okay. We'll start with the 13th Dashakam. Okay. So we'll go alphabetically as usual, starting from Anita ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Hiranyaksha Vadha. Hiranyaksham tavat वरदभवदन्वेषणः परम्।
हिरण्याक्षं तावत् वरदभवदन्वेषणपरम्। हिरण्याक्षं तावत् वरदभवदन्वेषणपरम्।
Very चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घा परिमिते।
चरन्तं सांवर्ते चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घा परिमिते।
Very nice. One more time. चरन्तं
चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घा परिमिते.
Very good. We'll do the 2 line. हिरण्याक्षं तावत् वरद भवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घा परिमिते
हिरण्याक्षं तावत् वरद भवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घा परिमिते.
वेरी नाइस. भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीरा नारदमुनिः
भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः.
वेरी गुड.
भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः.
पटुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरुचे नन्दन् धनुजमपि निन्दस्तव बलम्
शनैरुचे नन्दन् धनुजमपि नन्दं
स्तव बलम्. करेक्ट.
स्तव बलम्. शनैरुचे नन्दन् धनुजमपि निन्दन् स्तव बलम्.
करेक्ट. वेरी नाइस. भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरुचे नन्दन् धनुजमपि निन्दं स्तव बलम्.
भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरुचे नन्दन् धनुजमपि निन्दन् स्तव बलम्.
वेरी नाइस.
हिरण्याक्षं तावत् वरद भवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घा परिमिते. भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरुचे नन्दन् धनुजमपि निन्दन् स्तवं बलम्.
स्तव बलम्.
स्तव बलम्.
Very nice. Beautiful. Next.
भाग्य मैम.
भाग्य जी.
हिरण्याक्षं तावत् वरद भवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्दं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घा परिमिते. भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरुचे नन्दन् धनुजमपि निन्दं स्तव balam.
Very nice. Beautiful. So, meaning now. So, here what is he saying? So, he is calling here Varada is the name here. Okay. Varada. Varada means the one who bestows boons. Okay. So, he is calling here, oh, bestower of boons. That's the word here using. Then, he is saying here, what is happening here? Now, we know that Bhuma Devi was inside the cosmic waters, and then Bhagavan took the form of a boar. He went inside the cosmic waters, and then he just lifted her up with one of the snout, with his snout, and then he just came out. Okay. We saw that. Now, that is over. So, protecting the earth is over. Now, he has to kill the Rakshasa Hiranyaksha. That is the main purpose here of this avatara. So, now he has to do that. So, that is what is going to happen here in the Hiranyaksha Vadha. So, he is going to kill that. Okay, so that is the story. Now, he is saying, now what is happening? Now, he has come out. So, what is the scenario now? Bhuma Devi has been found. She has been lifted out of the cosmic water. She is protected now. Then Hiranyaksha, we know that he was searching for the Lord because he was like, he wanted to fight somebody. He wanted somebody who was at par with his power. Right? So he thought Narayana was the only one. So he started looking out for him. So we knew that with his with a mace in his hand, he was roaming around here and there, roaring, isn't it? So now, the main thing what has to be done is Hiranyaksha has to meet Narayana. Okay. So now for that we have our Narada Muni. So he goes in search of this Hiranyaksha, and then that is what is happening. Now Narada is going. So that is the thing. So here they are saying that your devotee Narada, what he does now, he is on a very diplomatic mission. So he is going because he's very skilled. He is very skillful when it comes to any kind of a diplomatic, um, so for all kinds of diplomacy, he is the one. Okay, so that kind of thing. So now Narada goes for what? For okay. Okay, so he is saying yes, Kapata Patudhi Narada Munihi. So how is this? Narada Muni, he was the diplomatic missionary. Okay, so he is going and he is going to go and speak to him. Now, for furthering the purpose of this avatara. Now Narada approaches Hiranyaksha, and then now they are describing Hiranyaksha, who was like roaming around here and there, searching for you, Bhagavan. He was searching for you. And where was he searching? He was searching in the cosmic waters. Now, this cosmic waters barely reached his knees. That is what they are saying. It barely reached his knees. Okay. So, Nija Jangha Parimite, only till that. Okay. Just near the thighs. Okay. It just reached that much. So you can imagine how he was. Okay. And then they are saying, then Narada, what did he do? He calmly spoke to this Hiranyaksha. Okay. And what did he do? How did he speak? He praised Hiranyaksha, and he actually undermined Bhagavan's power, Bhagavan's prowess. He was undermining Bhagavan and he was praising Hiranyaksha. Okay, because obviously these people are very egoistic, arrogant people. So obviously when you praise them, they are very happy. Okay, they get into the trap very easily. So that is what Narada is doing in this. So that is the whole thing in this first one. Okay, we'll go to the second one. After Bhagyaji.
Yes. I'm here, Dipti.
Yeah. Samayavi Vishnurharati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim.
Samayavi Vishnuharati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim.
One more time.
Samayavi Vishnurharati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim.
Vasumatim. Not Tim.
Vasumatim.
Vasumatim. Prabho
Samayavi Vishnurharati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim.
Prabho kashtam kimadamiti tena bhigaditaha.
Prabho kashtam kimidamiti tena bhigaditaha.
Very good.
Prabho kashtam kimidamiti tena bhigaditaha.
Very nice. We'll do those two lines. Samayavi Vishnurharati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim. Prabhu kashtam kimadamiti tena bhigaditaha.
Samayavi Vishnurharati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim. Prabho kashtam kimidamiti tena bhigaditaha.
Okay.
One more time,
Okay.
Samayavi Vishnurharati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim. Prabho kashtam kimidamiti tena bhigaditaha.
Very nice. Nandan kwasau iti sa munina darshita pathaha.
Nandan kwaso This is Kwasoviti, ma'am.
Okay.
Kwa Saviti is written here.
No, that is
So-
okay. Either you say Kwaso, or you can say Nandan, Kwasa, Viti. Obviously, it will become like that when you are pronouncing.
Ma'am,
Kwasoviti maybe, no?
Sorry.
Kwasoviti is Sandhi
Okay.
with Kwasaviti or what?
The complete
I don't
thing
know.
is a Sandhi only. Kwasau,
Okay.
Iti.
Okay, fine.
So,
I'll tell that. then.
you
I'll
can
tell
tell
that.
Nandan, Kwasa, Viti is okay. Correct. Absolutely
No,
correct.
that's okay. Iti is nice. You can understand.
Ah,
Okay. Nandan Kwaso.
just a
ma'am,
moment.
just one more minute. Ma'am, is it Nadan or is it Nandan? Because it's written Nadan here in both English and Sanskrit.
Sorry. It is Nadan only. I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay,
Nadan
I'll say
only
that.
because it is roaring, you know.
Yeah,
He is
sound.
roaring.
Nada,
It is the
nada.
sound. Nada.
Yeah,
Nanda,
nada.
Nadan
Okay.
only. Not
I'll say
Nanda.
that.
Sorry.
No issue. Nadan Kwaso iti namuni nadarshita patho. Nadan Kwaso iti namuni nadarshita patha.
Very nice. Bhavantam samprapat dharanidharam udyantam udakat.
Bhavantam samprapat udara. Correct, no? Udharan. Okay. Bhavantam samprapat
Dharanidhara.
dharani. Dharani dharamudyantamudakat.
Correct.
Bhavantam samprapat dharani dharamudyantamudakat.
Very nice.
Bhavantam samprapat dharani dharamudyantamudakat. Both the lines?
All the lines together.
Also. Samayavi Vishnurharati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim Prabho Kastam Kimidamiti Tina Vigaditaha Nadan Kwaso iti Namunina Darshita Patha Bhavantam Samprapat Dharanidharamudyantam Udakat.
Very nice. Next.
Kamala ma'am.
समायावी विष्णुर्हरति भवदीयां वसुमती प्रभो कष्टं किमिदमिति तेनाभिगदितः नदन् क्वासौ इति समुनिना दर्शितपथः भवन्तं सम्प्राप धरणिधरमुद्यन्तम् उदकात्.
Very nice. So here we'll see the meaning. Samayavi Vishnurharati Bhavadiyam Vasumati. So Prabhu, here the word they are using is Prabhu. Prabhu, what is he saying? Finally, what has happened? This now Hiranyaksha is telling, okay, that this deceitful Mayavi Vishnu, okay, the Mayavi Vishnu, what he has done, he is he is taken away the earth. So he is allowed to take away the earth, okay, to get away with the earth, okay. Sorry, Narada is telling, I'm sorry, not Hiranyaksha. Narada is telling that finally this Mayavi Vishnu, what he is doing, he is allowed to get away with the earth, okay, and which is actually your property. He is telling Hiranyaksha, it is actually your property. Oh, mighty one, it is your property. But that Mayavi Vishnu, he has taken her away just like that, and he is escaped from that place. Okay. Then this Asura immediately, this one thing is enough for them to get agitated, no? So immediately he gets agitated and he starts shouting. He is saying, Nadan means he's shouting, he is roaring, okay, and shouting. And he's saying, Kwasav, it means, where is he? Where is he? That is what he, Kwasav means, where is he? Okay. And he's saying, where is he? Where is he? He's shouting. And then Narada shows the directions that this is where he is. Okay. Now following this direction, which was shown by Narada, this Hiranyaksha approaches Lord. Okay, he comes near you. So, when did he come? When Bhagavan was rising up from the waters. From the waters, he was coming out with the earth. When he was coming out with the earth, this Rakshasa comes there. Hiranyaksha comes. He approaches him. Okay. So, that is what it is. Okay. That's it. So, we'll go to the third one. Yes, after
Lakshmi ma'am.
Lakshmi ji, welcome after a long time. Yeah. अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः
अहो आरण्योऽयं
मृग इति हसन्तं
मृग इतिक संतं बहुतरैः
मृग इति हसन्तं हसन्तं is laughing. Okay, मृग इति हसन्तं laughing like wild animal. मृग इति हसन्तं.
अगो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः अगो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः
दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतम् अवज्ञाय भगवन् दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन्
वज्ञाय भगवन् दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतं वज्ञाय भगवन्.
Very nice. One more time.
दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतं वज्ञाय भगवन्
दितिसुतम अवज्ञाय भगवन्. Okay.
दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन्.
Very nice. Good. अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन्.
अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन्.
अवज्ञाय भगवन्.
वज्ञाय भगवन्.
Very nice.
अगो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन्.
Very nice. महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा.
महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा
correct only.
दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन
महसा. Very good.
स्वेन महसा.
One more time.
महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा. महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा.
पयोधावाधाय प्रसभमुदयुङ्क्ता मृधविधौ.
पयोधावादाय प्रसभमुदयुङ्क्ता मृधविधौ.
Very nice.
पयोधावादाय प्रसभमुदयुङ्क्ता मृधविधौ.
Very nice. Mahim drishtva damshtra shirasi chakitam svena mahasa payodhavadhaya prasabhamudayuntha mridhavidhau.
महीम् दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा भयोदवादाय प्रसभमुदयुक्तामृतविदौ महीम् दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा भयोदवादाय प्रसभमुदयुक्तामृतविदौ अहोरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विद्यन्तं तिदिसुदम वज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा तिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा भयोतावादाय प्रसभमुदयुक्तामृतविदौ.
Okay. Very nice.
One more time.
Yes.
अहोरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विद्यन्तं तिदिसुदमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा तिरसि चकितं स्वेन महसा भयोतावादाय प्रसभमुदयुक्तामृतविदौ.
Very nice. After Lakshmiji, who was?
Purachandra.
Tell me.
अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विद्यन्तम् इति सुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोदावादाय प्रसभमुदयुक्ता मृदुविधौ.
Very nice.
रुद्रविधौ.
Mridhavidhau. Okay. Now let's see the meaning here. So he is saying Aho aranyoyam mriga iti hasantam bahutaraihi. So he is saying now this Hiranyaksha approached when Lord was coming out of the water. Once he saw that, what he started doing, he started laughing. Okay, he started ridiculing Bhagavan. Seeing this form, he says, "Oh, this is just a wild animal," and then he starts ridiculing him. And bahutarehi duruktehi vidyantam. It means he starts lashing out many abuses towards Bhagavan. Okay, and he laughs, he ridicules Bhagavan, seeing that boar form. Okay, so because he thinks he was thinking of fighting some Narayana, and now he sees a boar right in front of him. So obviously he starts feeling that, oh, this is just nothing, just a wild animal. It's so easy for me to just kill that. Okay. Now he say, okay, Diti Sutam. Diti Sutam is the son of Diti, isn't it? The Asura. He was the son of Diti. Okay. Now Bhagavan, what does he do? He just ignores. Okay. Bhagavan just ignores whatever he is saying. He is abusing him, he is ridiculing him, but he just ignores all of that. Okay. And then he sees the earth. So when he sees the earth, where was the earth? The earth was on one of the tusk of Bhagavan, isn't it? He was carrying it with that tusk. So on the tip of the tusk, he was having the earth. So on seeing the earth, he saw that the earth was trembling. Okay, the earth was trembling. Seeing Hiranyaksha and all, she was trembling. Okay, so immediately what he thought, he first needed to settle her down. So he slowly took her, from there he took her and he just settled her firmly in the ocean. Okay, he settled her down. so that she feels at peace. Okay, now she is okay, fine. Now she settles her down and then he gets ready for the battle. Okay, so that is what Udyamtau. Then he started preparing Mrudha Vidhau then for a fight, for a battle or a war. He was getting himself ready. Okay. So that is why here we see, you remember we had seen that Sambhrama Yoga, isn't it? So you can see here now what is Hiranyaksha doing? He is ridiculing Bhagavan, he is abusing Bhagavan, speaking all sorts of nonsense about him, isn't it? But this is what is the Sambhrama Yoga. This he's contemplating on Bhagavan. The whole time he's been doing only that, but in a very hateful manner, isn't it? In a very hateful manner. So, because he considered Bhagavan as his enemy, not just an enemy, he was the worst enemy for Bhagavan. Okay, so that is why in his mind he was completely filled with Bhagavan's thought only. The only thing is, it was not love for Bhagavan, it was hate for Bhagavan. That is it. Okay, so we'll go to the fourth one. After Purna Chandraji. Who is it?
Saraswati ma'am.
Saraswati ji. Fourth one, no?
Yes ma'am.
Page turned. Wait. Okay. Gadapanau daitye त्वमपि गृहीतोन्नतगदः
गदापानौ दैत्ये त्वमपि गृहीतोन्नतगदा
त्वमपि he. Okay, he should be there. He should be there. Gadapanau daitye त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगतः. Tvamapi, then he you join. If there is no he, then you write a he over there. Okay.
Gadapanau
daitye.
Gadapanau daitye tvamapi hi gruhitonnatagada.
Gruhitonnatagadah.
Gruhitonnatagadaha.
One more time.
Gadapanau daitya tvamapi hi gruhitonnatagadaha.
Very nice. Niyuddhena क्रीडन् घट घट रवोद्घुष्ट वियता.
नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घट घट रवोद्घष्टवियता. नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घट घट रवोद्घष्टवियता. रवोद्मुष्टवियता.
रवोद्घुष्टवियता.
रवोद्घुष्टवियता.
Very nice.
रवोद्घुष्टवियता.
गदापाणौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगदः. नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घट घट रवोद्घुष्ट वियता.
गदापाणौ दैत्यौ त्वमपि
दैत्ये.
गदापाणौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगदः. गदापाणौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगदाः. नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घट घट रवोद्गष्टवियता रवोद्गुष्टवियता
Very nice.
गदापानौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगदाः नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघट रवोद्गुष्टवियता
Very nice. Next. रणलोकौत्सुक्यान् मिलति सुरसङ्घे द्रुतममुम्
रणलोकौत्सुक्या मिलति सुरसङ्गे द्रुतमयुम्
Very good.
रणलोकौत्सुक्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्गे द्रुतमयुम् द्रुतममुम् रणलोकौत्सुक्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्गे द्रुतममुम्
निरुन्ध्या सन्ध्यातः प्रथम इति प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे
निरुन्ध्या सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे
Very nice.
निरुन्ध्या सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे
Very nice. रणलोकौत्सुक्यान् मिलति सुरसङ्घे द्रुतममुम् निरुन्ध्या सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे
रणलोकौत्सुक्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्गे द्रुतममुम् निरुन्ध्या सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे रणलोकौत्सुक्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्गे द्रुतममुम् निरुन्ध्या सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे
Very good.
गणापादौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नत गदाः नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघट रवोद्गुष्टवियता रणलोकौत्सुक्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्घे द्रुतममुम् निरुन्ध्या सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे
Very nice. Very nice. Next, ma. Who is it?
Sridevi.
गतापानौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगतः निरुद्धेन क्रीडन् कटकटरवेन् पुष्टा वियता
रवोद्गुष्टनियता
रवोत्पुष्टा वियता जनालोकौ सुत्यान् मिलति सुरसङ्के द्रुतममुम् निरुन्ध्या सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे
Oh, very nice. So we'll see.
Shall I repeat, ma'am?
You want to repeat? Repeat. No problem.
गतापानौ दैत्ये.
So let's see the meaning now. So here what is happening now? Gadapano Daitye. It means the Asura, the Hiranyaksha, was with a gada, with a mace in his hand. Okay, he was armed with a mace. Then Tvamapi hi grihita unnata gadaha. So what did he do? Bhagavan also, what did he do? Obviously, you will also, what did you do? You took a very a mighty mace, unnata Gadaha. So a very mighty and very what do you say? A great, a mighty. Okay, let's keep it as mighty only. A mighty maze. Okay, he also took a very mighty maze in his hand. Okay, then Niyudhena Kridan. So Niyudhena Kridan. Ghata Ghata Rava Udbhushta Viyata. So now what is happening? There is a fight going on. Niyudhena Kridam. Both of them. There's a dual fight. Both of them are fighting each other. Okay. Using the maze. Okay. As if, how was it? Kridan. It was like a play. Okay. Both of them, both are having heavy and very mighty maces in their hand. And then they both are clashing it. Okay, the clashing of the mazes is going on. It was as if very sportingly these two were doing it. Okay, now, but they were doing it like that. But how was the sound? Ghata ghata rava udgushta viyata. It means the sound was so fierce. There was a fierce sound which was resounding in the sky. Okay, which was resounding in the sky. So it was a very a fierce sound. Okay, obviously one is Hiranyaksha, one is Bhagavan. So obviously, how is it going to be? Okay, Rana aloka outsukyat milati surasange dhrutamamom. Now here they're saying Rana aloka outsukyat. It means that is this fight is going on. So to see this fight, okay, there was an eagerness among all the Bhagavan, or sorry, all the gods, okay, all the gods, they all assembled there with the eagerness to see that fight, okay. What is going to happen? They all want to see how this fight is going on. So, with that eagerness, okay, outsukya, so with that eagerness to see that fight, all the gods assembled, okay, all the gods they assembled, okay. And then what did they wish for? That Bhagavan quickly he should kill this Asura. Okay, he should kill him at the earliest. Okay, so at the earliest means even Brahma started saying, Dhatra Jagadishe. What did he say? He said, Brahma just cried out. Okay, he just shouted loudly and he requested Bhagavan to kill the Asura before the Sandhya Kala. Okay, Sandhyatah, before, by Sandhya, by this dawn, okay, dusk, he should kill him. Okay, that is what he was saying. So before the nightfall, he should kill the Asura. So what is happening here now? Both of them, the Asura and Bhagavan, both of them are now armed with the mace. Okay, both of them are having, Bhagavan took a nice mighty mace of his, which Bhagavan's mace, what is the name of Gada of Bhagavan? I hope all of you know. It is called Kaumodaki. Isn't it? So he took his mace and then they both started fighting. This fight seemed to be as if it was a play, okay, as if it was a game. They were just fighting. But the sound of these mazes, the clashing of these mazes, the sound just resounded in the sky. Okay, they resounded the sky, and all these devatas, they all gathered to very eagerly to watch this fight between the two. Then Brahma cried out from there and he said, he requested Bhagavan to kill this Asura before the nightfall. Okay. So that is what. Obviously, even though we say all these things, but why do we say before, why was Brahma saying that before the nightfall he should kill? Because you should be knowing that after Sandhya Kala, when the night comes, the Asura's power increases, isn't it? They become very powerful as they go stronger and stronger as the night falls. Okay, so that is why Brahma was saying, you immediately kill him before this nightfall. So although it is Bhagavan, so he is one of Yes, he is just nothing in front of Bhagavan, but still, that is how we all are, right? Uh, so, okay. So, we'll go for the fifth one. We'll finish till the fifth one today. Yes. Who said now? Saraswati, Sri Devi ji. After Sri Devi ji? Who is there?
I think Anita ma'am.
Anita ji is there. Okay, Bhagya ji, you tell. Anita ji can repeat if you
Yes,
continue. Okay, we'll go for the fifth one. गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिन् स्तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवो
गदो मत्ते
Sorry.
तस्मिन् स्तव खलु गदायां
भुवः से
भुवः इति भुवः.
Very nice. गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिन् स्तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवः
गदोन्मत्ते तस्मिन् स्तव खलु गदायां इति भुवः.
One more time you say.
गदोन्मत्ते तस्मिन् स्तव खलु गदायां इति भुवः.
गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायाम् अहह भोः
गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायामहह भोः.
Very nice.
गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायामहह भोः.
Very nice, very nice. गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिन् स्तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवः गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायाम् अहह भोः
गदोन्मत्ते तस्मिन् स्तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवः गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायामहह भोः.
Very nice. Okay. मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं दनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचनम्
मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं तनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचनम्.
One more time.
मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं तनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचनम्.
महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिषे
महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिषे.
Very nice.
महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिषे.
Very nice. मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं दनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचणं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिषे
मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं तनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचणं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिषे.
Very nice.
गदोन्मत्ते तस्मिन् स्तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवः गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायामहह भोः मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं तनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचणम् महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिषे.
Very nice, very nice. Ruruchish. Very nice, beautiful. After Bhagyaji, Anitaji.
गतोन्मर्ते तस्मिन् स्तव खलु गदायां दिदि भुवः गदा गदाघातात् भूमौ झटिति पतितायामः भोः
Hmm.
ऋतुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं तनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचणम् महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिषे.
Very nice. Now see, the fight is becoming intense now. So, Gadon Mardi Tasmin Tavakalu Gadayam Diti Bhuva. Okay. Okay. So, in this, what is happening? Now they are both fighting with the mazes. Okay, in that fight, what happens? This Asura, during this combat which is happening, okay, this Asura, what does he do? He struck Bhagavan's mace, okay, and suddenly we see that he has knocked down Bhagavan's mace on the ground, to the ground, okay, he has knocked it down, okay. So, so that is what they are saying. Oh, ahaha bhoho. So what a wonder, oh Lord. So this Asura has made this Bhagavan's mace go down to the earth. Okay. Now, immediately, Bhagavan, he is obviously, he knows everything. So, he, with a just gentle smile on his face, okay, with a smile on his face, what he does is invokes his Sudarshana. Okay, his Sudarshana is his chakram, discuss, isn't it? His chakram. So, he invokes his Sudarshana. So, we all know what is the Sudarshana. Sudarshana is very well known for slaying the Asuras, isn't it? So many Asuras this Sudarshana has slayed. So, now he invokes Sudarshana. So, when he invokes Sudarshana, how does he look? He looks magnificent. Okay, he looks fantastic. He looks so beautiful when he invokes his discus and he places it in his hand. Okay, so when you place it in your hand, he is saying it like that, that Bhagavan, when you place this discus in your hand, when you invoked Sudarshana and you placed it in your hand, you look so magnificent in that. Okay, so that is what here it is happening. So in the fight between the two, there is a combat which is going on. In this, during this combat between the two mazes of Bhagavan and the Asura, suddenly this Asura strikes Bhagavan and he knocks down his mace to the ground. Okay, then Bhagavan slowly, calmly, he smiles and he invokes his Sudarshana. Okay, which is known as usually the destroyer of all the Asuras, isn't it? And he is saying, you look so magnificent when you invoked your Sudarshana and which was placed in your hand, which appeared in your hands. So it was looking so beautiful. So here what is happening? When Bhagavan takes an avataram, see, it is just a matter. Bhagavan has created this whole creation. What is this? This is just nothing for him. Even if he just thinks, everything is going to happen. This Hiranyaksha will not be there. But he doesn't do that. He does, when he takes an avataram, so he is just exhibiting all these things, like a play. So we already saw that, like it was like a play. He was just doing it. He is just exhibiting everything, just like a play. Okay, and so before the work of this avatara is completed, so he just does all these playful things, and that is what. Okay, so actually what is happening, he is exhibiting all these qualities, the emotions which we all human beings go through. Okay, so when he takes the avatara, he relates it to us. Okay, so that is why all these things happening. So so that is the fifth one. Okay, so we'll continue with the sixth one in the next class. So we'll do the Samapana Shloka and then wind up. नमामि नारायण पादपङ्कजं करोमि नारायणं पूजनं सदा वदामि नारायण नाम निर्मलं स्मरामि नारायण तत्त्वमव्ययम् नारायण 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 श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम तत्सत्. We'll meet in the next class.
Thank you.